Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this really nice bold look. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching this video. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going in with the Buxom lip balm. And I don't know what color this is, but basically it's a natural color, and this is really just to hydrate my lips. Then I'm going in with the SOS primer from Clarins and applying that wherever I am going to apply highlighter on top. Grabbing my Urban Decay potion and using that as a primer for today's look. I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, but of course you can go ahead and substitute it with any other palette you would like to use. For my transition color, I'm going to go in with a reddish brownish look. For this tutorial, I'm not going to be naming the names of the eyeshadow just because I want it to be more general, so anyone doesn't feel like they need this palette to use this. I'm basically just using this as my transition color. This is just gonna make sure that the whole look still kind of has a warm foundation. So with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with the darker red color, and basically I'm just going to intensify the red in this look. I'm really just building that red color. Now I'm just going in with concealer to clean it up a little bit. Going back in with that red color just to blend it out. So for my lids, I'm going in with this silver grayish color, and I am just applying that with my finger. Going ahead and blending the red and the silver together. Okay, so now I'm just going in with a black shade, and basically this is going to intensify the whole look and deepen up the crease. And with that brush where I use the red color, I am going to blend that out. For this step, you really want to take your time. I'm going in again with a little bit of concealer just to clean the inner corners of the eye, blending that out, and then I'm going over with that same lid color that I used before. Going to clean that up with concealer again, just to sharpen up the edges, and then pat it with my finger very lightly, and then going in with my Real Technique sponge. Since this is a bold face, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation, since this is a very matte foundation, and then applying that all over my skin. I did film a skincare video before this one, which is why I'm not showing you guys how I prepped my skin, because you guys will see that in my next video. Grabbing my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, applying that under my eyes, and then blending that in with the Real Technique sponge. Since this is a more full face makeup look, I am going to go in with the Laura Mercier powder and bake a little bit. To contour a little, I'm grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. Like I've said before, I think this bronzer is so deep that it's definitely more of a contour. So I'm blending that down to my jawline and to my neck, and then dusting away that powder. So then putting a very bright silver color in my inner corners to kind of just balance the eye look, and going in with a little bit of blush. Then grabbing my ABH Dip Brow Powder in medium brown, and I'm just going ahead and filling in my brows wherever there are any sparse areas. Going ahead and setting that with some clear brow gel. Then going in with some liner, but I'm only putting liner halfway out of my eye because I feel like winging it would be way too dramatic for my preference. Curling my lashes with my favorite Revlon eyelash curler, going in with my Urban Decay Subversion Primer, and then following it with the Perversion Mascara. Adding some highlight to the high points of my cheeks, to my temples, to my nose. Setting my face with my Mario Badescu spray, fanning that out. And that is the finished look, you guys. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and check out my Facebook page, and I will see you guys in the next video.